If you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in League of Legends, calibrating your settings can help resolve these problems. Follow these steps to ensure your game runs smoothly. Step 1. Check system requirement. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for League of Legends. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and operating system to make sure they are compatible with the game. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card and network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest versions, as outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Step 3. Configure firewall settings. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking League of Legends. You may need to add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable your firewall to test the connection. Step 4. Repair game files. Open the League of Legends client and use the built-in repair tool. This will scan for any corrupted or missing files and replace them, which can fix multiplayer issues. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If you are still having trouble, consider adjusting your network settings. This can include changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS or resetting your router to improve your connection stability. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your League of Legends multiplayer settings effectively. If issues persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.